Well guys, we are finally getting some more work done. It has been horrible the last couple weeks. I know I sound like a broken record saying that it constantly rains, but that's all it's been doing, either rain or snow. And then it takes about 3 days for the job site to dry out so they can work. They get about 2 days of work in, and then it rains again. So that's been the cycle. So it is Saturday. They came and worked yesterday because we had like rain Monday, and then of course had to wait Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for it to dry out before they could actually do anything. Still a little bit soggy in the middle there where the sun has not been shining, and that part of the roof has been shading the area, but this part is done. It looks like they got the second half done, so maybe today they will have the whole roof on, which will be exciting because tomorrow's Sunday and we got 20% chance of rain tomorrow and 50% on Monday. So if we do get some rain by the time it dries out, then Christmas will be here on Wednesday. So probably won't get much work done next week. But just a little quick video, show you guys we are making progress even though it's slow. Well, it's been a little bit slow going, but we made a little bit of progress. It is Christmas week, so obviously they took the holiday off, and then it's a family operation, and a couple of them got the flu, so they did get a couple days worth of work in. As you can see, the job site is finally dried out, looking good now, and yep, you guessed it, they're calling for rain tomorrow. God, man. And a little bit Monday into Saturday, so hopefully it'll be just a little bit and it won't be too bad. It won't be a soaker, then that'll be good. If it's just a little bit of drizzle or something like that, then I think we'll be okay. But here we go. So we have us a ceiling. Let me climb through here, and just have to do this one last spot here, but it's not a full panel, so they got to turn the panel, and then obviously get the insulation, get the panel on, and the roof will be totally done. Of course, once you get the skyjack in here, they're going to tape it, and got one piece of insulation that's fallen down. And we did get the outer border basically set for pouring the pad. I think what the crew's plan is now to go ahead and start putting the sides on and the back door, and once they get that done, then we can go ahead and pour the pad. And if we have any cold nights while it's setting up, then basically we've got an enclosed area, so we'll be able to keep a little bit of heat in here. And of course, if I have to, I can bring some heaters in. So like I said, just a little progress, but a little get you closer to the final product here. So finish line is coming up close, thank goodness. Hey, we got us a wall. So they just wrapped up, just left for the day. It is Monday. And yes, of course, Mother Nature's not going to cooperate. It's supposed to snow tomorrow. So, come in, we got like an inch of rain over the weekend. Actually, Friday and Saturday. So we had Sunday yesterday at least to dry up one day, which made working out here not too bad today, but it's supposed to snow tomorrow. And nothing for Wednesday or Thursday, and then Thursday night into Friday they're calling for rain. So they'll probably only be able to work Thursday probably, I guess. If it depending on how much snow we get tomorrow and how quickly it gets out of here and how fast it dries up, then maybe we can at least get another day this week. Just frustrating, folks, I swear, guys. Looks like I'm not going to get a shop till spring, but there's the insulation on her. It's kind of windy. They were kind of fighting it, but starting to actually come together and look like a building. Thank goodness. So just a little quick update for you guys. Said it's been slow going, so progress is progress. Oh yeah, we stuck the porta-john in here because it got blown over again last night because we had such a high winds, 20 to 30 mile an hour winds that blew the porta-john over again. So hopefully it'll be a little bit protected with this wall, so we'll be good. So check out our first big snowstorm. This rolled in, I guess, early this morning. Even though the ground was warm yesterday, I'm surprised it has stuck the way it has. So probably got at least an inch, maybe more up here. Of course, obviously there's no work on the shop today. So I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up from here or not. But yeah, no work today in the snow. And then we got a new addition to the family. Say hi, YouTube. So picked up that little girl right here. She is half German Shepherd, half Husky, full of energy, about 4 months old. So that'll be pretty cool. She's pretty fun. So just gonna hang out and enjoy the snow today. Just a quick little update here, and they got basically wall number 2 done, so that's good. They kind of wrapped it up for the day. I don't know if the microphone's picking it up, but it's pretty windy. They're fighting the insulation and the sheeting today, so that's about all they wanted to get up before it got too bad, so they wrapped it up. They're gonna be back tomorrow, hopefully get a little more work, but of course the rain's supposed to come in tomorrow, so oh well. But starting to look like a building, or at least I got a carport now. So alrighty, just a quickie. Thanks guys. Well everybody, I hope you enjoyed the update. I appreciate you following along with this project. Hopefully soon we're gonna be in the new shop. Can't wait. Also picked up a bunch of new subscribers to the channel, so I appreciate that. Thanks for finding the channel and hitting that red subscribe button. If you hadn't subscribed to the channel, please hit that button. I'd appreciate it. Leave comments always, guys, and stay tuned for the next update on the shop. Hopefully we'll get this thing totally closed in, get concrete in, and start on the electrical. So stay tuned.